Welcome to How to Solve.
Hey there! For today's video, I will be teaching you how to post photos and videos to Threads. Now, if you just downloaded Threads and you want to share a photo or a video from there, I'm going to show you how to do it. So the first thing that you need to do is make sure the Threads app has access to your photo gallery. So let's hop into your settings right here, and then we'll scroll down until we find Threads on this list. Here it is, just tap on that and then tap on photos. And now let's allow all photos. Keep in mind, unlike any other application, Threads does not have a camera feature directly in the app. So that means you can't simply go into the app and take a photo and then post it from there. What you have to do is go into your camera, take a photo from your camera first, and then it will go to your gallery, and from there you can upload it to your Threads account. So now let's go into Threads here, and let's tap those pen and paper icon at the very bottom center. Now you can see right under start a thread, there's a little paper clip indicating an attachment. So if I tap on that, and then it will then allow me to choose any photo or video. So let's say I'm just going to be choosing this video. So just have to hit on add now. Keep in mind, it did say I can add up to 10 photos or videos, but as you can see here, but let's take this little video that I chose. And here at the very bottom, you can see anyone can reply. If you click on this, every time you tap on it, you will be able to switch it to profiles you follow or mentions only. And you can use this function if you want to limit who exactly can comment, who exactly can repost, and all of that stuff. And yeah, that's it. That's pretty much how we post photos and videos on your threads.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.